Well, hey guys, welcome back to the Atkins Rotary channel. Today, let's go over how to install Viton oil O-rings. We've been using these since the mid to late 90s. They can be a little tricky at times, but this is more for those of you that don't know how to put them in. There's not really like a super trick, but I figured this will help you guys and make the engines run a little longer. And let me show you what I got here on the bench to my right, and go from here. So here's what I've got. I've got inner and outer oil ring spring, your inner and outer oil control O-ring, and 2 O-rings, a pick if you need it, and some Vaseline. So okay, so here's your inner oil ring. This one pretty much goes in no problem, nice and easy. This one here can be a little bit of a challenge, but once it's in place, it's no problem. You just have to walk it around, and there you go. I'm not editing that. Now, what I do is the top of your oil ring is here. Your spring is on this side. Take your pick or a small screwdriver and turn it around. Simple enough. You straighten it out. And now, there you go. It's not all wavy, it's all nice and straight. You don't need that much. This is what I do. I just coat it with Vaseline all the way around. I have another video on how to put in the springs, and that's all I do. Now, when you're installing these, make sure your notch here matches the top of your spring. I put in the outer one first. And just walk it around. Pressing it in with your fingers. Don't slide your fingers. The oil rings are sharp enough, they will cut you. There you go. That should move freely a little. Do the same with the inner one. Like I said, I've been doing this since the mid to late 90s. Where your notch, it's right there. Tip of the spring is here. And for those of you that have asked me over the years, that's all those oil rings. If I get it to focus. That's all they should be sticking up. That's all they should be sticking up. And then at this point, it's now just spring tension that you're feeling. The outer one, as you put it in, and as you put it in and walk it around, you can feel that O-ring move, and it'll kind of like go, it'll kind of like click. Anyway, that's how I do it. Just one way to do it. I know of other guys, they use engine oil, WD-40, or other lubricants to do it. That's just how I do it. It's been working for me since. Some guys even use a wooden block to help you put them in. That's okay. That works too. You just gotta go careful enough to where you're not pushing on that, sealing the metal oil ring to where you start bending it. You bend it and it's not going to return. There's no matter what you do, it's not going to return. So, until next time, hopefully this was helpful. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments, send me email, reach out, whatever. I don't mind answering questions. Sometimes, even if you think it's dumb and simple, that's okay. If you don't know, you don't know. And that's what guys like me are for. Help you guys walk through and go along. So, until next time, thanks for watching.